Heard some of you there expressing your views ahead of tomorrow's presentation of the mid-year budget review. Meanwhile, civil society groups are actively advocating specific fiscal measures, particularly pushing for an upward review in excise taxes on goods like tobacco, alcohol and sugar-sweetened beverages, arguing this would boost revenue and promote health. Let's speak to Labram Musah. He's Executive Director, Vision for Accelerated Sustainable Development Ghana for Alternative Development, VAS Ghana. Good afternoon to you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me, and then good day to your listeners and yourself.
Would you kindly tell us the rationale behind the civil society's call for an upward review of excise taxes on products like tobacco, alcohol, etc.?
Right, so thank you very much. So yesterday we all witnessed what happened in Parliament when the Ghana Medical Trust Fund was approved and passed. Obviously, if we all follow this, it tells us that there is an emergency situation at hand, and the current president is trying as much as can to get enough money, resources, to avert the current problem that Ghanaians are facing with respect to non-communicable diseases. Here I'm talking about the fact that 94,000 people die in Ghana annually from non-communicable diseases, representing about 45% of all deaths in Ghana. In fact, it's the leading preventable cause of death in Ghana and in the world today. Now, so having said that, when the budget was read, in 2023, there was some fiscal measures with respect to excise taxes on tobacco, alcohol, sugar-sweetened beverages, as well as plastics. And these products, are in fact the very reason why we are having a surge in non-communicable diseases. The 94,400 that I mentioned largely is as a result of the consumption and the use of these products, and then also the activities of some of these products I mentioned. Right, and then what we're hearing and why we came out with a release is the fact that the industry is seeking because of the current fiscal gains that the country is kind of witnessing, and the fact that the city is making some progress against the dollar. So they are calling for reduction in taxes, specifically for excise taxes. And we are of the opinion that will create a lot more problems for the country, and the country will not be able to bear it. Because currently, if you look at the statistics, because they are saying that the government is losing revenue, and we are saying that the statistics is not showing same. According to the CRA, the country is raising huge amount of revenue from the excise taxes that was imposed in 2023. So we are of the view that instead of the Ministry of Finance listening or heeding to their requests, is going to look at the public health day. The fact that the Ghana Medical Trust Fund has been passed, and currently, if you look at the fund, the source of funding, it's more or less like majority of fund is going to come from the National Health Insurance.
Nonetheless, Mr. Musah, how do you respond to critics who argue that increasing excise taxes will disproportionately affect low-income consumers?
So these are some of the propaganda of the industry. I'm not too sure how that is going to affect the income of anybody. The point is that the consumption of these products is creating problems. If you take them, trust me, you cannot go scot-free. You will definitely get one of the diseases, either cancer, diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, and these are diseases of today.
I'll have to end it here. Labram Musah is Executive Director, Vision for Accelerated Sustainable Development Ghana for